For those who are new to the channel, this is my Toyota Corolla Baby Camry 1.8 wrapped with RXI wheels, 17-inch with 205 40. I think the rims are 7J. No, they are 8J, all around 8J. The fitment is perfect. The fitment is the way I want it for a daily. As you saw from other videos, make sure that you go and check the other videos, because I even fitted the sound system, as you remember. But this was not the sound system that I had at the time. I had the ice power amplifier, but I didn't have the ice power speaker. In the engine bay, we have a 16-valve 1.8 fuel injector with a air filter cone. Some few pieces were painted just to make the engine bay pop. On the interior, it has leather seats, red wine leather seats. And to be honest, this car is in a good condition. I'm telling you, I'm going to miss this car. I was using this car to go to school every day, and it was far from where I stay. It was like almost 200 and something kilometers. But this car is a beast, and as you know, Toyota are the best. I had to let it go because somebody needs it. It's going to have a better home. So now I'm going to say my goodbyes to it.
Hey, speak about yourself, and you know how that nigga really act. When you brag in a ticket mini, they gon' take your rap to a trap. That's crap, and you know what? That's whack. Double bag, and it take it back. Fight back, that's my own say. 25 name, we gon' bring it back to the old school, I'ma bring it back, I'ma take it way back to the old school, way back. I'ma take it way back to the oldest gas, way back. I'ma take you to the old school, and I'm going way back. I'ma take it way back.
I am done cleaning the car, and now I'm saying my last goodbye to this car. This car got me through a lot. This was my second car, and it really took care of me. I think one day I'll buy a car like this. This car is a beast, and this car will never stuck on the road. You will never find this car on the road. Never, man. Yeah, but I just gotta let it go, because yeah, I just gotta let it go. So yeah, let's go and give it to the owner. So yeah. This is my last day driving my Corolla. So yeah, this is the last day. So I'm just updating you guys that it is the last day that I'm going to be driving this car. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I'm walking home. So yeah, it's a little bit far, but I think I'll be able to walk to home. I don't want to catch a taxi for no reason. It's been a long time since I walked. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do hit that like button, do hit that subscribe button, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.